Hi guys, it's Multivids here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane that I call the spider crawler. So let's get started. First you fold this edge to this edge. Increase. Next what you do is open it up. You should get a line down the middle. So what you do next is you take this top corner and fold it down to the middle. Increase. Do the same thing with the other side. Next what you do is you flip it over and fold this top line down. And you should start to get some flaps like this. Make sure you only fold it so only the flaps are on the other side, like this side. So you would see that only the flaps are on this side. Next what you do is flip it over and flip this over too. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to the line. Like this. And do the same thing with the other side. Next we flip it over and take this top edge and fold it down where this line is. So you should fold it all the way down. Next to these two lines, the line that we have in the middle and this line right now we have as new is creased up together evenly. So it should be one straight line. Then we flip it over again. And this time keep this wing right here thing on the other side. Now we take this top edge and fold it down to this mini line that we get right here with flaps. And crease. Do the same thing with the other side. To look like this. Next what we'll do is we fold it all the way to this side. So this side to this side. And you should start to get this little flap thing coming out. Just like this. Next what we do is we're going to create the wings. So we're going to take this top edge and fold it down. And do the same thing with the other side. Flip it over and crease it. And this time you already have some line direction, so fold it this all the way to this side too. Just like this. You might want to push it down so it's really even. Next what you do is you open it up. And you should get some cool lines like right here. You should get some lines right here. Some lines right here. And the reason I call it the spider crawler is because to me it looks kind of like a spider web with all the lines. So yeah, this is how the plane looks like. And it flies really far if you test it out. And if you made it correctly, it'll fly even farther. So that's the end of the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!